Welcome. So today here on YOUCANIC, we're going to go over how you would set the time on your 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. Now this is set by, there's different ways to have it set, but you're just going to go into setup and you're going to hit the clock and display the clock when the power is off, or display the screen when the power, to have a black screen when the power is off. We all like a clock. And then you can set your date and time in this. You can also do the view if you want it to be in a digital time or an analog time. You have your settings on whether you want it to be GPS time, daylight savings, or 24-hour time. 24-hour time is sometimes referred to as military time, but you don't have the AM and the PM with the 24-hour time, right? And so daylight savings, we happen to be in that zone, but if you didn't want it to be, you would just hit the off button, and so it's changed that time. But say you didn't want to have your GPS time because you want to have your own specific time, because maybe you want to set your you want to set it to be, say, faster, so that maybe when you get in your vehicle and you're driving around, you can make sure that you're somewhere earlier on time. Then we would go back to the time and set this to what time we would like it to be, and then just hit done. And see, that sets the time there. And if you go back to the home, the time still stays there. But again, if you want to change it at all, you just go to setup, hit the clock, and then we go to the clock setup, and you can do which view, of course, you'd like it. Setting, if you want GPS time, just hit that. If you're in daylight, you can hit that, and that does basically set everything automatically. But there is a way, there was the way to make it a manual setup so that you can have whichever time you would like it to be in your phone. And also you have the time zones, and because of our GPS, it knows that we're in this corridor of the east, but you can pick the other time zones as you would like to. But that's how you would set your time on a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. Thanks for watching.